In today's video, we're going to dive into Perch, a powerful website builder that focuses on simplicity and flexibility for users of all experience levels. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned web designer, Perch offers an intuitive platform to create and manage your website. When you first land on the Perch homepage, you're greeted with a clean, minimalistic design that highlights their focus on easy-to-use tools. Perch positions itself as a versatile platform for creating everything from small personal sites to more complex business websites. The first thing you'll notice is the user-friendly interface, which is great for anyone who doesn't have extensive coding experience but still wants a professional-looking website. As we explore the site further, you'll see the primary features that Perch offers. One of its standout tools is the drag-and-drop functionality, which lets you customize your website easily without needing any coding skills. This is great for beginners or those who prefer visual customization over manually adjusting code. The dashboard is straightforward and offers quick access to various site elements. You'll find sections for managing your pages, content, and even blog posts. Each element has a clean, organized layout that makes managing your site a breeze. Additionally, Perch offers responsive design, ensuring that your website looks great across all devices. Another feature that I found impressive is the ease with which you can add and manage different types of content, like text, images, or embedded media. The process is smooth and intuitive, allowing you to keep everything up to date without hassle. Perch also offers advanced customization options for users who want to go beyond the basics. For example, you can access the code editor for more in-depth design tweaks, making it a good option for users who have coding experience and want to fine-tune their website. When it comes to pricing, Perch offers a flexible tier system based on the size and needs of your site. They have a free trial, so you can test the platform before committing, which is always a plus. It's affordable compared to other website builders in the same category, making it a good choice for budget-conscious users. Now, if you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources, so be sure to check those out after watching. To wrap up, Perch is a great option for anyone looking for a simple yet powerful website builder. It balances ease of use with advanced customization options, making it ideal for both beginners and more experienced designers. If you're considering using Perch, I highly recommend giving it a try. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest reviews of popular website builders and tools. Thanks for watching.